This must be a very significant artifact.
And why do you say that?
In public squares, on overpasses, in the subway, and even in Dome of the museum.
Yeah, and the Chinese cultural heritage symbol is also this. And this is called sign of the bird gold ornament. It's incredibly thin, only 0.2 millimeters. The pattern has inner and outer layers. The inner layer has 12 rotating toothed rings and symbolizing sun. And outer layer consists of 4 birds flying counterclockwise.
12 and 4. Do these numbers have meanings?
Yeah, 12 and 4 are very common numbers in Chinese Chinese culture. And these numbers reflect ancient ancestors' systematic understanding of the natural laws and cosmological principles. And the 12 might represent 12 months or 12 hours, and the 4 could represent 4 seasons, 4 directions. And the images of birds and the sun symbolize the warmth and the light to the ancestors in bothering the tourist hopes.
Amazing. I understand why people here love it so much.